Hello everyone, welcome back to a new video of how to log in. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can add music to your WhatsApp status. Watch the video till the end and don't forget to subscribe to our channel by hitting the subscribe button. Also, press the notification bell icon so that YouTube will notify you whenever we post a new video. So to add music on your WhatsApp, firstly you need to take a video and add a music to it. Here, let me use an Instagram for this. So open your Instagram application, take a video. Swipe up and click on music option. Select your music and then tap on save option. Now that you have a video with the music on it, open your WhatsApp application. Click on the status on the middle and then tap on My Status option. Select the video you want to upload and click on arrow option at the bottom right corner of the screen. This is how you can add music on your WhatsApp status. If you have any thoughts or queries, let us know in the comment section. Thank you so much for watching.